Hello, my name is Nolan Owens and welcome to my presentation. What if you could reduce your greenhouse gas emissions and impact on the environment while also benefiting your health? It is possible with the adoption of a vegan or plant-based diet. The adoption of a vegan diet can be difficult as animal product consumption is an important part of our society and cultures. But with the effects of climate change becoming more apparent, it is important to do whatever we can to stop its progression. The adoption of a vegan diet has many benefits for the health and the environment. Teaching others about these benefits may persuade them to make the change. Through the use of facts, many will see the advantages of a vegan diet and hopefully adopt it fully or at least cut down on their animal product intake. A vegan diet is an effective way to lower an individual's greenhouse gas emissions, decrease land requirements for food production, and decrease risk of diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and stroke. I have been a vegan for the last 2 years and a vegetarian for many years before that. I successfully made the switch without many barriers and have personally seen the health benefits with decreased animal product intake. First, I will present the environmental benefits of decreased animal product intake. Next, I will present some of the health benefits. And finally, I will discuss the personal benefits that I have experienced. Vegan diets significantly reduce environmental damage by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, water pollution, and land usage when compared to meat-rich ones. According to a report, food production makes up 26% of global greenhouse gas emissions. 31% of these emissions come from livestock and fisheries. Additionally, another 16% come from the land used for livestock and 6% from crops for animal feed. That means that for all the emissions from food production, 53% are associated with livestock. According to a study, vegan diet resulted in 75% less greenhouse gas emissions, water pollution, and land use than a diet with more than 100 grams of meat daily. A systematic review also showed reductions in both greenhouse gas and land use in vegan diet when compared to a meat-rich diet. Greenhouse gas emissions were reduced by 70% and water use was reduced by 50%. Another study compared the gas emissions, energy demand, and land use associated with 5 diets: Current US, the Healthy US, Mediterranean, Healthy Vegetarian, and Vegan. The omnivore diets were the greatest contributors of greenhouse gas emissions, with the highest being 4.7 times greater than the vegan diet. The land used just to produce the red meat for each of the omnivore diets was greater than the entire vegan diet. Now that I've discussed the environmental benefits associated with reducing animal product intake, I would now like to shift into discussing the health benefits. One of the major benefits is that vegetarians and vegans tend to have lower body weights when compared to other diets. This may be due to the fact that those that follow a vegan or vegetarian diet consume less calories and more fiber than meat-rich ones. Calorie restrictions with adequate nutrition has been shown to improve glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity, leading to lower hemoglobin A1C and decreased risk of type 2 diabetes. Additional benefits include protection against oxidative stress, inflammation, and hypertension. Healthy plant-based diets are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that reduce oxidative stress and atherosclerotic plaques. Diets rich in antioxidants may also lower inflammation in the body, reducing the risk of congestive heart disease and stroke. Additionally, healthy plant-based diets are associated with lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure, also reducing the risk of heart failure and stroke. There are some risks involved with plant-based diets, such as vitamin and mineral deficiency. It is important to take a B12 vitamin to avoid anemia, as B12 is mostly found in animal meat, milk, and eggs. Additional nutrients to supplement include iron, zinc, and calcium. I have personally seen the health benefits of switching to a vegan diet. I lost 20 pounds after the switch without counting calories or changing my exercise amount. Routine lab work with my primary care provider also showed no electrolyte or protein deficiencies. So in this presentation, I have discussed the environmental benefits of decreased animal product intake. I then discussed the health benefits. Finally, I touched on the personal benefits I have seen since the switch to a vegan diet. A vegan diet is an effective way to lower an individual's greenhouse gas emissions, decrease land requirements for food production, and decrease risk of diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and stroke. Hopefully, this presentation provided valuable information on the benefits of a plant-based diet. While it can be daunting, the benefits of the switch to both the environment and your health are worth the work involved. Thank you.